Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this rainbow look using a few of my favorite palettes. I must give credit where it's due. This is not my original look, and my friend Ryan actually did this look and recreated it from a picture he found on Pinterest. I'll pop that here, and here's his recreation. I'll go ahead and link his social media down below. He is so talented, and you guys might see him on future videos because he's passionate about makeup just like I am. I'll also try to find the lady who originally created this look, and I'll try to link her social media down below as well. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any type of questions you would like me to answer or suggestions on videos for the future. Without further ado, let's get started.
By now you guys already know that I always start off my looks by priming my face. Today I'm going in with the Hangover RX Primer by Too Faced. Now I'm priming my lids with some Milani eyeshadow primer. Now I'm laying down a really good base with some of this e.l.f. Camo Concealer and blending that out with a wet beauty blender. For my brows, I'm going in with the usual ABH Brow Duo. If you guys are interested in a more detailed brow tutorial, I'll pop a link for my first video right here. The first shade I'm dipping into today is Milkshake from the Mmmmitchell palette. I'm using this as a sort of outline for the shape that I'm going for today. Now I'm darkening that up with some Morning Glory from the Mmmmitchell palette. Now I'm going in with this really deep purple called Morgan and creating a sort of smoky wing. I'm darkening that up with this purple shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Now I'm slowly building up this really vibrant orange color called Mental from the Mmmmitchell palette and popping that on my lid and blending it out. To help blend the orange shade and the pink shade together, I'm going in with this peach shade from the Jawbreaker palette and blending that in between. Now I'm going in with this tangerine shade from the Brazil palette and using it as a transition shade for my next color. The next color I'm going in with is Wow from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Now I'm I'm taking Shmoney from the Mmmmitchell palette and popping that right next to the yellow and blending them together. Last but not least, I'm going in with Mist from the Mmmmitchell palette and popping that in my inner corner. Now I'm concealing my under eyes and finishing my eye makeup on my lower lash line. To create the clouds in the reference picture, I'm going in with more of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and just creating a cut crease and then extending it into the rest of the clouds. And I'm setting that with Marine from the Mmmmitchell palette. Now for the most tedious and annoying part of the look, I'm creating stars with more of the concealer. I decided the stars were a little lackluster, so I grabbed some jewels and applied them with some lash glue. To mimic the reference picture, I'm going in with some gel glitter liner under my lash line and in my inner corner. Since the eyes took so long and you guys have already seen me do my whole face routine twice, I'm just gonna do it off camera.
Okay guys, I am back with the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, go hit that like button if you haven't already. hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So I've decided at the end of all my videos, I'm gonna go ahead and ask y'all a question so I get to know my subscribers better. And the question of the day is going to be what state you live in. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys, I live in Texas, born and raised. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay happy and healthy. Bye!